What's up, y'all? We back at it early this morning. We're gonna get this back tire sorted out and we're gonna get this chain put on and see what we can get done. Where's my motorcycle key? Even though it's gonna be chilly today, it's supposed to get up to 47. We'll probably do a quick ride. Definitely probably do a quick ride. So we'll put it over right here. Let's see. About right here. Need to get it farther over in the middle. Should be good. I'm gonna have to readjust this thing because next time, for sure, when I do this, I have me some front stands. Have me a stand to go on the front to go up under the, up there around the triple tree. Not the triple tree, but it won't be the one down on the wheels because you need the one to pick the bike up, like up under here. That's the jack I need for next time. That one too far out. Okay, the front and the rear the same size, so that's a good thing. I've never had to take my front tire off. That's the first time I ever took my front tire off, y'all. So, really didn't know what size it took up front. All right, what I'm about to do. What I need over here. From the video yesterday, I left my dadgum different size sockets at my girlfriend's parents' house, but I think I might have something I can use my on the back. It's a little trickier because there's bolts on both sides, but I can use my torque wrench to help me on the back. So we'll definitely be utilizing that today. Next time around I do this, I'm gonna be changing my brakes, y'all. My brakes need change. Brakes definitely need change. Okay, let's go and get this sprocket off. Put my new sprocket on. All right, see what size this is. Hopefully this time around I won't be having to replace no chains or sprockets prematurely. Let me get a thumbnail, y'all. All right. So hopefully I get done with this today. I'm gonna start posting these videos of me doing this. Let me get the new sprocket. I think it's the exact same sprocket. I brought the exact same one. Yep, it's the exact same sprocket. I just so recently brought it. Let's go worry about the chain last. Worry about getting the tire situated. Mistaken identity. That ain't gonna work, really. Fighting against myself doing it like this. I'm gonna look at my front sprocket, but usually my front sprocket be okay. I'm not gonna even mess with my front sprocket, but I'm gonna look at it and make sure and see how it look. Hey, mom. Yes, man. I want to get done with it. Okay. Okay. For the tire removal thing. I don't see it nowhere. threw it somewhere. Can't find it. Let's take this out here in the sun a little bit. Yeah, now. Put that back on tour, y'all. I think I took it in the house. Here somewhere. I don't think I took it in the house last night. Let me look up here. Looking for the thing to let the air out. I was putting it over here yesterday, but I don't see it. I threw it in there. I put it in the car. Where I put that thing at? I know I didn't take it in the house last night. I could have sworn I put everything up and together last night. Tire still holding air. No, I didn't take that thing in the house. There you go. I knew it was somewhere. I thought I put it all together. Okay, I'm gonna do like my daddy told me. I need to mark these tires for which side is the rotational side. I don't think I got a marker here, but this pen will do. Let's see, I got another pen. That'll do a little better than that one. plus just the sprocket side too, so maybe that'll help me remember a little bit more. But I marked it to be sure. All right, let's let this air out of here. Yeah, we can break her loose faster than we did yesterday. I'm gonna make sure I put a cap on this stem. So I don't chew it up like I did last time on the front one. That's something else I'm gonna have to replace. Even though I brought a replaceable one, like it's an OEM one, but I like what come on here. It's like it has a screw in, like right angle valve stem. I like that. Instead of having to pull it through, so I'll see if I can find OEM one from 2019 instead of the new updated one, and I'm gonna put that one back on the front next time around when I change the tires on the motorcycle. And I also modified my tool that I use to break the tires loose, so hopefully I have better luck with it. I'm gonna put this cap over it so we don't chew it up. All right, let's go to the breaker tool. Well, let me look at that front sprocket. I might can get a peek at it, or I'm gonna have to take it off and look at it. Let's see if I can get a good peek at it. Like I said, the front sprocket always be okay. It just be that rear sprocket that get chewed up when my chain come off. Front sprocket look okay. So I'm not gonna even mess with the front sprocket. It look okay. Yes, ma'am. All right. See you later, Mom. All right, love you.